Good morning, YouTube. This is Campfires and Dirty Tires here in southern Michigan. This is kind of what I do during the wintertime, out plowing snow. I just thought I'd do a quick short video on kind of how you do things. I don't know if you guys can really see these videos or not, but hopefully you can. Appreciate you guys watching this video. Yeah, it gets kind of boring out here sometimes. We didn't get a tremendous amount of snow, but a lot of drifting going on. Of course, you got people out here driving, going to work and stuff, trying to get to their workplace. Yeah, a lot of turning around so you can back up. Plowing ain't as easy as everybody thinks it is, to be honest with you folks. I've been doing this for almost 20 years now. Full time, about 12 years. I'm doing a gas station right now. I do home driveways, but I don't think I'll be doing too many home driveways today because we didn't get a whole bunch of snow. Some spots got 1 inch, some spots got 5 inches because it's blowing, drifting around. Lake effect snow type thing going on. Well, I appreciate you guys watching this video. This is Campfires and Dirty Tires here in southern Michigan. Thank you for watching the video. Just out snow plowing in southern Michigan. YouTube. Just thought I would just finish doing a little video here. We didn't get a boatload of snow down here where I'm at, but there was a lot of spots that got quite a bit of snow from the snowstorm that moved through. I believe we got about 3.5 to 5 inches of snow out here. All these goofy people that come out here to go to work. Some places schools would cancel. Well, thank you for watching this video. Appreciate it.